Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. In this video, we will find this energy spectral density ESD of a gate function with width tau and amplitude A. So we all know that how a gate function is nothing but a rectangular pulse. So this is my x of t here, and it is having a width tau. That means it is starting from tau by 2 to plus tau by 2 and having an amplitude A. So to find out first energy spectral density, we should first find out the Fourier transform of a gate signal. So Fourier transform of gate signal is given by x of omega is nothing but equal to minus infinity to infinity x of t e to the power minus j omega t into dt. Now substitute the value of x of t here, that is nothing but it is limited from minus tau by 2 to tau by 2, and here it is having a value a in between these two limits, and we have this Fourier operator, that is my e to the power minus j omega t dt. Now a is a constant, so it is, we can bring it outside. It is between the limit minus infinity to infinity e to the power j omega t. Oh sorry, this is not infinity, this is here minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2, and it is having this kind of thing. Then we will solve this for integration, that will be equal to e to the power j omega t by minus j omega from minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2. When we substitute the limit, we get it will be equal to a into e to the power minus j omega tau by 2 minus e to the power plus j omega tau by 2 upon minus j omega. So this minus, if we bring here, then it will be a into, this will be nothing but equal to e to the power j omega tau by 2 minus e to the power minus j omega tau by 2, and this is nothing but j omega. Now we know that sine omega t can be written as e to the power j omega t minus e to the power minus j omega t by 2j. So we have to multiply and divide by 2 here, and this term is looking like sine. So just write down the sine function, that is nothing but equal to, so x of omega will now become a into, this is nothing but e to ej t by 2, substituting sine function, so this will become sine sine omega tau by 2 upon omega by 2. So here if we multiply with t, and here if we are putting t tau here, then this is looking like sine a by a form. So sine a by a is nothing but equal to sinc of a. So this term will become now equal to a into tau sinc of j sinc of omega tau by 2. So we got our Fourier transform value, that is equal to a tau sinc of omega tau by 2. So, and we all know what is a energy spectral density, that is ESD is equal to psi of x, psi of t will be equal to what? Mod of x of omega whole square. We got the value of x of omega, so just substituting the value we get this will be equal to a tau sinc of tau omega by 2, and this is square. So squaring all this term we will get a square tau square sinc square omega tau by 2. So this is how we calculate our energy spectral density of a gate function. So I hope you have understood how to find out the energy spectral density, and I close my video here, and thank you.